So here we have our 22-foot growing dome. When we make the jump from 18 feet to 22 feet, we do change frequencies. So here we have a 3-frequency dome. Still covered in the same polycarbonate material, there's just more triangles and different shapes that go into making this structure. This is the oldest dome that we have on our property. She is well into her 20s and has lived a great life. We are getting ready to put her into retirement as she's not in the ideal location anymore since we've expanded our facility. So when you do come and tour in person, you'll likely get to see a brand new 22-foot growing dome. So our 22-foot growing dome has approximately 350 square feet of space to work with. You can easily feed 4 to 6 people within this space. We do have a vertical clearance of about 10 feet 10 inches right in the center of the dome, and this is the smallest dome that we recommend if you really want to grow any types of fruiting trees, because as you can see, Mr. Fig here is utilizing all of the vertical space that he has. So this model does come standard with 4 venting windows that are all operated off of temperature-controlled beeswax pistons. You'll have 2 lowers and 2 uppers. You do have the option of adding an additional lower vent for some extra passive ventilation. You can also add active ventilation in the form of hybrid solar fans, electric fans, a combination of both, and you can also couple those with the misting system as part of the desert cooling package. So the pond in this dome is approximately 900 gallons. You of course have the option of adding your solar water feature, and the purpose of the pond is to act as your thermal battery within the greenhouse. So you've probably noticed that the ponds were all different colors, but they're all dark colors. And that is to help absorb the heat of the sun during the day, and then the pond will help to release that heat throughout the night, regulating your temperatures between day and night in the greenhouse. In the wintertime, this fig will lose its leaves, so you'll still be getting that solar gain. In this dome, we've chosen to highlight some of the different bed materials that you can use. So we have a siding material, we have a stucco, and we also have a natural rock wall. The options are really endless.